Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a hybrid engine that has been used on Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. Okay, that same engine has been used in all these three vehicles, and we will explain how to replace air filter today. On Ford C-Max it's a little bit more complicated. On Fusion and MKZ, Lincoln, it will be super easy, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover that. But before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And on that generation engine, guys, we'll be taking completely apart that hybrid engine. We'll be making videos how to fix almost anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to save, guys, even more money from when you need to buy car parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So now let me explain to you guys. Okay, that same engine has been used in Ford C-Max, as I said, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. That's a hybrid engine for energy or non-energy, guys. Hybrid engine. So on the Lincoln and MKZ and Ford Fusion, you can reach it without removing the engine cover. For Ford C-Max, you need to remove it. So on your Lincoln or Ford, guys, all you have to do, just go ahead, okay, remove the screws on top. You have 5 of them. And once we do that, okay, we'll be able to pull that air filter out, and you'll be able to do that with the engine cover in the vehicle on your Lincoln or Ford Fusion vehicle. So now all we have to do, just gently pull it, and it comes out, and you can see how nasty that thing is. So if you need to buy a new filter, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.